Here we have the Soyuz spine taping machine, and I'll just give you a quick run through just to show you some of the little bits and pieces on there, how to use it. Spine taping, commonly used for, everyone knows, checkbooks, paying-in book stubs, voucher booklets, things like that, where a pad has been stapled, perforated inside, and you just want to make the outside look a little bit nicer and neater. That's the general applications for it. Spine tape wise, it'll take 1 inch, 1.5 inch or 2 inch, 25mm, 38mm or 50mm spine tape. It's a special kind of tape that is very low tack. Camera can't really tell there, but it's very low tack, so it comes off the spool nice and easily. Once it's been on the paper, after about 5 or 10 minutes, there's chemical reaction, so it really sticks on the paper. To load the tape, it's quite simple. Just insert it on the machine, put the jockey wheel on there, little spring goes over the top, and the little spinner, just spin it on to about flush. It's not critical. We're just going to run that end round between there. I'll just use a little screwdriver just to drag it through. We're just going to drag it through so we come through to this side. One little tip, don't go backwards, because there's some little sprung loaded guides under these plastic side guides here that won't like it going back. Just cut it off and drag it through the machine this way. Power on. We just trigger the knife just to cut that little bit of excess off. We'll turn the power off again for the mode. For this little demonstration, I'll just use a little block here, but we've got side guide adjuster on the front edge here with little adjusters underneath. You just want the block or the book to go in nicely. A couple of little adjusters here as well that I'll just show you. Depending on what size tape you're using, they're like little sprung loaded guides. So you've got one that side and one this side, just to stop the tape snaking as it goes through. So we can just set that side up. Little stop here for the back, but it's easier just to guide it down onto the front of the tape. This one here is if we're using little checkbook size, you can bring that one into play if needs be. But just drop it down, going to slide it along to our micro switch stop here. There's an adjuster around the back of the machine, a little thumb screw. You can set the length of the book quite easily. So we're going to slide it along, just turn the power on there, hits the cutter, and with both hands on the top, going to apply some downwards pressure, comes along. There's a couple of little wheels at the end that will just wrap the tape round, and we have a fixed 5mm on the off side, so that would be the front of the book. The excess will wrap round the back of the book like so. After about 5 minutes of the bond, it really sticks. With the machine we supply our own little tips book. You get the Soyuz manual with it, but we've just got our own little one, and there is quite a handy little tip sheet in the back just to help you out along the way, which is quite useful. If you have any questions on the spine taping or its uses, please do get in contact with us at Chilvers Reprographics, and just in the little arrow below this video we'll put some links for the spine tape to purchase. So it comes in various colours, black, white, red, blue, and in different sizes as well.